Welcome in. I'm Cooley. This is Remy. We're going to do how to make an easy coleslaw. Very few ingredients, super simple to make and delicious, but the secret to your coleslaw must be cold. So I kind of like it, couple hours. Don't do the 30-minute thing. The colder, the better. Let's go, Remy. Let's show them how to make it. All right, this is all you're going to need. Sour cream a little bit. Adds a little tang, creaminess. Of course, the coleslaw. Tricolor bag. I like that. Mayonnaise. I've got sugar. White vinegar for a little more tang. Garlic, salt, and pepper. And you guys are probably thinking, garlic? I just do a little smidgy of the garlic and the salt and pepper just to give it a little more pop and a depth to flavor. But it's simple but delicious. Okay, super simple. Doesn't matter the order. We'll do a little sour cream first. It adds just a little, probably like a tablespoon. I don't really measure. Let's go a smidge more. I don't usually measure, you guys. But I'll kind of tell you what we're doing as we go along. And then mayo. I don't like my coleslaw dry. This is all individual preference. So let's get some mayo in here. And here's the thing. When you add the sugar, be careful because it's going to break down the coleslaw and it's going to get real liquidy. I like a little more sugar. So sometimes less is more. You can kind of watch it as you put it in the fridge. Let's start there and we'll stir. Now look, I know you guys were freaking out a little about the garlic. Look how much. Doesn't take much. Just a little. I'm telling you, the flavor. Pepper. Why? Because I feel like, I don't know, salt and pepper, everything. Okay, do you see this? Look at, we're almost done. So we did this, sour cream, mayo, garlic, granulated garlic, a little salt and pepper, sugar. Now you got to go a little heavier on the sugar. I'm just going to, because I know, start off with 2 tablespoons. Go from there, okay? Was that 2 tablespoons? I don't know. I have no idea. But I kind of been making this for a while. Tablespoon or 2 of vinegar. This is the white vinegar. Okay. That was probably a tablespoon. And then this is it. Then you're going to do the mixy. Right? This is where we're going to start. I'm going to look at it. We'll see the consistency. And remember, as this sits, that sugar helps break this down, and it's going to get liquidy. And I'll show you as it sits, and then I'll put it in the fridge. You should definitely do it the night before because you want it to be cold. I don't like to do it the day of. Do it the night before. We're going to need more. I can already tell. It's going to be too dry. Be too dry, you guys. So, got my little spatula. See, we might have to open. Right? I might start with this. All right, let me go there. And let's mix. I know it's going to need more sugar, so we'll add more. I just wanted to see. But this is it. But I'm telling you, the secret is the colder, the better. You can even, if you're going to have a bowl of this, put your bowl in the freezer for 5 or 10 minutes. Before you have it, and it just gives it that extra little chill. Let's go a smidge more. Like I said, start tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. You'll probably need 2. If you like KFC's, that's sweet. Some people don't like sweet. So start with the tablespoon. I've just been making this so long that I kind of know. All right, that's actually, you see this? That's a good consistency. It's going to start breaking down. That might even be good. And then I'll taste it right if I need to put a little more pepper or salt. I don't know. I just do a little sprinkle winkle or vinegar. All right, that is it. Simple like a dimple. That was fast, easy. Let me find this lid. All right, now we'll start the process. Cover it up, put it in the fridge, check on it in about a half hour, 40 minutes. But you want it the night before to make this. All right, you guys, I haven't looked at this yet. This has probably been in there over an hour. Now remember, we're going to go see how it's getting the liquid starting to come. The sugar's breaking it down. So I'm going to set it. Maybe I'll check one more time. But this is what I like. This I'm not going to add anything. I'll check in a few hours, and that's it, right? Like, so tomorrow you're not going to see me eat it, but this is it. Simple 1, 2, 3. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. This will sit overnight. I'll taste it tomorrow, maybe in a few hours, and it'll be ready. Thanks for being here. How to make simple, easy coleslaw. Woo!